Welcome to a sim code. Hey folks. Hope you're doing great. Let's dive into today's video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Lemmatization in Python is the process of reducing words to their base or root form, ensuring that they are valid words in the language. It is done using tools like the WordNet Lemmatizer from the NLTK library, which requires the words part of speech, POS, to determine the correct base form. For example, the word running is lemmatized to run when it's a verb but might stay as running if it's a noun. To perform lemmatization, the text is first tokenized into words, and each word is tagged with its POS using nltk.pos_tag. The POS tag helps the lemmatizer understand the context, and then the word is reduced to its correct lemma. This is particularly useful in text processing tasks like natural language understanding, where words need to be standardized for further analysis. Importing necessary libraries. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, is a library for working with human language data, text. WordNet Lemmatizer is the tool used to perform lemmatization. WordNet is a lexical database that maps words to their meanings and other linguistic features. If you don't have the necessary NLTK resources, you can download them using the following. Downloads the Punkt tokenizer models to split text into words. Downloads the WordNet corpus for lemmatization. Initializing the Lemmatizer. Creates an instance of the WordNet Lemmatizer. This object will help in lemmatizing words. Sample sentence for lemmatization. This is the sentence we want to lemmatize. Tokenizing the sentence into individual words. NLTK.word_tokenize is a built-in function that splits the sentence into a list of words. The words are now separated into individual tokens, such as a function to get the part of speech, POS, tag for a word, which helps in accurate lemmatization. This function returns the part of speech, POS, tag for a word. NLTK.POS_tag is a built-in function that returns a list of tuples, where each tuple contains a word and its corresponding POS tag. We pass the word to POS_tag, which returns a list, so we take the first element, the tuple, and extract the POS tag from it. POS tags are important because they indicate whether the word is a noun, verb, adjective, etc. WordNet's Lemmatizer requires POS tags to determine how to reduce words to their root form. If the POS tag starts with NN, it indicates a noun, for example, cats, dog. If the POS tag starts with VB, it indicates a verb, for example, running, ran. If the POS tag starts with JJ, it indicates an adjective, for example, striped, fast. Return WordNet's constant for adjective. Default to noun if the POS tag does not match known patterns. Now we will apply lemmatization to each word in the tokenized list, passing in the correct POS tag. Lemmatizr.lemmatize is the built-in function used to reduce a word to its base form, lemma. This loops through each word in the tokenized list of words. Output the lemmatized words. Print the lemmatized version of each word in the sentence. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.